You show Daddy how you exercise?
You're gonna exercise with your ball.
Yeah, come on, exercise.
You gonna exercise? You're gonna sit on your ball? It's your bouncy ball?
There you go.
Bouncy, bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy. Bouncy,
Yeah,
bouncy.
bouncy. Show how you
Bouncy.
put on your tummy.
Can you bounce on your tummy? Or are you gonna eat some rice?
Oh. There's a real smart girl.
Well, there you go. Good girl. Good girl. Bouncy, bouncy.
No.